So today we're going to look at trust. Trust as a foundation, the foundation of your relationship. And somebody once said, I don't know who it was, but it was a good one. Trust is built in 2 teaspoons, not waterfalls. It's all the little things, the showing up, the remembering what you said, how you felt, keeping promises, being reliable. It isn't even about never breaking, but it's about repair, about honesty, about trying again, trying to do better. And so, what I want you to reflect on today is just ask yourself, what is one small act I can do this week to build trust? What is one small act I can do this week to build trust? Comments below, and see you in the next one.